In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add connectors in LibreOffice Draw quickly and easily. Connectors are super useful when you want to link shapes, build flowcharts, create diagrams, or make your layout look more organized and professional. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice Draw. If you already have a document open, that works too, but for this tutorial, start from a blank Draw workspace so you can follow along more easily. Once the editor opens up, take a look at the left side panel. This is where you'll find the drawing tools, and the connector option is located there. Look through the available tools until you spot the connectors. LibreOffice Draw gives you a variety of connector styles, so you can choose the one that best fits your diagram. Some connectors are straight, some are angled, and others have different line behaviors depending on how you want your objects connected. Once you've selected the connector tool, move your cursor over the white workspace. Click on the area where you want the connector to appear. You'll see the connector line appear in the editor, ready to use. If needed, you can connect it between shapes or use it as part of a larger visual structure. After the connector appears, you can adjust its size and position by clicking and dragging the endpoints or moving it around the canvas. This makes it easy to line everything up exactly the way you want. If the connector doesn't look right the first time, don't worry. You can always select a different connector type from the left panel and try again until you get the style that matches your design. And that's it. You've now learned how to add connectors in LibreOffice Draw. It's a simple feature, but it makes a big difference when creating diagrams, charts, and visual layouts. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.